very windy out, so I've got you tucked into a little nook here in foggy San Francisco, where yesterday it was like 85 degrees out, just beautiful. Today, 50s and 60s, wind, fog, drizzle, flip-flop. All right, scientists estimate that more than 1,400 gigatons of carbon, CO2, is trapped in the Earth's permafrost. That's the number right now that they think that's trapped in the permafrost. So what is happening right now is that CO2 and methane are now escaping out of the permafrost faster than the Earth can put it back in. In the past, permafrost thaw has been limited to subarctic regions, but the last 400,000 years, the CO2 has steadily accumulated in the permafrost, in the high Arctic latitudes. Guess what, people? Not anymore. It's now escaping. The results of a new study. The Earth's permafrost was much less stable prior to 400,000 years ago, and now we're finding out that the permafrost is becoming very unstable once again. But not only that, but new satellite data shows that glaciers are melting faster than ever before. Glaciers are losing more than 31% snow and ice per year than they did 15 years ago. That's quite a uptick, wouldn't you say? That is 328 billion tons of ice and snow per year since 2015 is melting. I'm going to go up this way. The wind's starting to blow hard here, so let's see if we can find another place. The annual melt rate from 2015 to 2019 is 78 billion more tons than it was from 2020 to 2004. The thinning rate doubled in the last 20 years. Alaska melt rates are among the highest on the planet. The ones that are melting the least are in Russia, which makes sense. They have more land, less warm oceans to warm them up. So, as we can see, the data keeps pouring in. Global climate change is real and is continuing, and humans are continuing to ignore this. Though Biden's first speech to the Congress was full of some pretty good ideas, but remember Bill Clinton? He was full of good ideas too, but he couldn't get anything through. We'll see how well Biden does. He's the most experienced person we've had in that slot ever. So if anybody could do it, it would be him. If he would just team up with Bernie Sanders and the rest of the left, he might get somewhere. Oh, I don't know. I sure hope he can do something, because if he can't, then the game is pretty much over. Because humans just don't want to change their habit, drive less, eat lower on the food chain, do more physical exercise, that kind of thing, to get our carbon footprint down. What are your ideas? So, on this windy, foggy, drippy day here in San Francisco, I appreciate all the ups and downs, the new subscribers, and definitely the comments. And until next time.